Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education channel. I hope you all are doing well and spending your time tremendously well. Before we get into this video, please subscribe our channel if you have not done it and press the bell icon for the notifications. As you can see on the screen, a beautiful picture of beach which you can make within few minutes by using the Tux Paint tools. So in this video, I am going to show you how to draw this beautiful picture in Tux Paint. So let's get into that. First, we are going to select the paint tool or the lines tool. You can select any one of the tool. Take the bigger brush and take a blue color. And then draw a line over here and here. From the more colors, I am going to select the dark blue color and then draw a line like this. After that, select the magic tool. From the magic tool, select the smudge tool and then from one corner to the other, drag it. Do remember one thing, when you start dragging it, try to drag it in one direction only. See, here I am dragging it from left to right so that I can get the waves accordingly. If I go for upwards and downwards, it will be a different one, right? Which we don't need. So I am going to go for left to right only. Then in a circular form you do so that you can smudge all the colors together. Okay, now take the line tool, take the bigger brush and the orange color. So wherever white color you are seeing, place over there, 2-3 dots you place. Like this. Then take the yellow color with the same brush. Put one dot over here, one over here, here and likewise. Right? Then magic tool and the smudge tool. Smudge only these two colors and try to mix it up with the blue color. Okay, so here I am done with this. Now from the paint tool, I will select the bigger brush. Again, I will select the dark blue color and I will draw over here. One more color I am going to select, that is for scent color. So this one I am going to select and then place it over here. Okay, then the lighter blue color. Then I am going to go for this kind of a color which is not so blue and not so light blue. Then from the magic tool, select the smudge tool and then smudge it. In this you can go for the circulation one because we are going to prepare over here the sea. So you can go for that circular manner. I took a different color for water so that you can say that which one is the sky and which one is the water, because both are having the same color, right? The blue color. Wherever more spaces are there, let's take the dark blue color from the more colors and place it. In water you should not leave the white color. Okay, so here we are done, and then from the stamp tool I am going to select the sun. Here, and then adjust the size over here and place it over here, right? Then as you know that in water you can get the reflection of the sun, so for that take a paint tool, then the smaller brush or medium sized brush, take the orange color and then place it over here, take the yellow color, then place it and again do the smudge. Like this, okay. Then from this stamp tool we are going to place over here a palm tree. So let's do that. Go down and from here reduce a size and then, or you can increase as well, and then place it over here. Okay, now from the stamp tool I am going to insert a tent over here, so let's go there. Okay, so this one I will pick and I will paste it over here. So this was about your beach look in Tux Paint. For more videos stay tuned with Nirja Education and keep learning with it.